One of the things you do is you create organizations, businesses, right, that you need to search under. So many times what will happen is that Mo, if he's a bad doctor, I don't actually know if he is, Mo will drop out and he'll start appearing in different results as the contact person because he's essentially using corporations to go from one fraudulent position or one problematic position to another. Probably the person who is his wife. He's also a practitioner in Houston. Notice the taxonomy. She chose to list herself as a professional. If that sounds like a suspiciously generic title for a medical provider, it's only because it is. Now, if we look over here, a universal medical clinic, and now the contact is also a COSEQ. If we take a look at the graph, already we start to see some of the interesting relationships that you did not see with Micromed. So you see Quest Diagnostics, you're always going to see that. You're going to see some family medicine, some specialists, and then way up here at the top, he's got land transport, Harris County Hospital District. That doesn't make that much sense. My doctor didn't have that, right? Scrolling down, you've got home health, specialist, ambulance, City of Houston Fire Department, and essentially the fraudulent behavior that Terry was investigating and reporting on is all here. Right? You're seeing all of these essentially rides that should not have happened. And in this case, I think what it was is essentially taking people who are not in the least bit crazy and giving them extensive psychiatric treatment, including ambulance rides to and from a psychiatric facility. And the psychiatric facility was in on the gig with the medical transport companies. And what it was essentially is taking homeless people and giving them pizza. And that was the group therapy. Right? And so people complain about Medicaid being something that doesn't pay very well. Medicaid pays really well if you're not hiring the psychologists who's supposed to be running the group therapy, and instead you're substituting that with a deep dish from Pizza Hut.